Alright, y'all. Welcome to this unboxing of the I don't even know how you say it. But we're gonna call it the KA110. So I went ahead, got a head start, and pretty much opened this up. And this thing is super, like, if it's fragile, it is very small and it's light. Bubble wraps. And the manual that goes with it that I forgot to bring out. Okay, so here's the box, the side, prepared, all that good stuff. Pocket radio, and I don't know why this thing's like all dirty. Some had a lot of grease for lunch. Alright, so let's get to the features that this box has to offer. It has AM, FM, and weather band receiver, real-time NOAA weather alert, MP3 player and recorder, and micro SD memory card slot, built-in microphone, which is up in this corner, the multi-tuning modes, sleep timer, loop playback modes, equalizer, the mute and key lock functions, micro USB charging port, and headphone and lightning jack, which not included, full range speaker, and a multi-language menu, and also the size that you can put this in your pocket, which is as convenient, kind of like the HDR14. But we'll see what this has to offer. So how exciting that is. We're gonna take a look at the menu. Here's your user manual. So actually, let's get into the radio. So let's start. I'm gonna lay this down. The rechargeable battery's already plugged in, and then the buttons on this is clicky, if that's how you want to say it, or you can just call them loud. Not like, yes, that works. That thing has many ways, many sounds of button push thingy. Why can't I get this to, actually, if I put it on here, it should work. Alright, it does work. Perfect. So we're gonna turn this on now. Waiting.
17 p.m. Central Standard Time.
The Austin. So I'm already in the weather band.
The temperature was 44, the dew point 29.
And it sounds a lot more different. The station, because of this radio, sounds so different compared to
Headcap may breathe. It was clear.
to that. This just makes it sound like it's a station with wireless. Wait, I'm supposed to have it in here. Perfect. So, I don't know what's next. The FM AM, I had this on case. Sounds nice.
loss goals with Red Mountain Weight Loss, now in Austin. Go to redmountainweightloss.com.
Let's see if I could save it.
That's redmountainweightloss.com.
Did you know running your dishwasher every night with Cascade Platinum actually saves water?
Whoops. So that's where you can scroll. 101.7 is just silent. There's just nothing. Like absolutely nothing. What if I hold on to 5? Yeah, that's where the memory. Apparently I didn't see that one. So I'm gonna save case.
Want to keep working and want to stay active, so the vast majority of who we see are the blue collar guys like me and you.
QC Kinetics uses biologic therapies, just like pro athletes
Enter.
have used for years, to get you lasting
Save.
pain relief with
Awesome.
no surgery.
I want you to continue working. I want you to continue exercising. The joints are made to be
The
moved.
treatments at QC Kinetics are fast and
It's
non-invasive.
not a lot of time commitment on your part.
Not what I
There's
wanted
no
to do.
downtime or recovery time. You don't need short-term disability with what we do. We want to keep you
So now
active.
my question is, how do you get to the
Set up
setting
your
or
free,
the
no-obligation
presets?
consultation. Learn how you can get real pain relief
Look at that
and
table
stay
of
on the job.
contents.
QC Kinetics, 512-593-4303 in Austin and Round Rock. Call 512-593-4303. That's 512-593-4303.
Small businesses who switch to Spectrum Business can cut their internet and phone bill in half.
Spectrum Business can cut my bill in half. Really?
It's true. You're overpaying and
Okay,
we
now
can
we're
prove it.
just
Grab your
silent.
bill and visit spectrum.com/business calculator. In just 3 easy steps, you'll see your
Cool.
savings.
Wow, I can save over $1,500.
There's no table of contents here.
That's real savings. See for yourself. Visit spectrum.com/business calculator and make the switch today. Restrictions apply.
I think if we just hold it down,
Behind on his taxes.
I owed a lot of money to the IRS, almost $15,000. I tried to make payments.
The IRS wasn't satisfied with Eric's efforts, so they came after him
Huh.
full force.
They're coming to put a lien.
So
and a
do I
hold on
just-
all my income?
The human race.
Or
Oh.
I was just overwhelmed at what to do.
Then Eric a tax relief.
oh,
Cause was
Was rated by the and their
okay, so you press it down.
my data's clean.
Okay, that's how we
Eric's
do it.
advice.
If you have a tax problem, you need to call Optima Tax
Cool.
now.
I don't know where the cat went. Yes. Do the same for WOAI.
The other side, the people of Jesus, spirit filled. The fruit of the spirit is
I did hear some yelling
boy.
so little black cats.
I think it's getting the.
They're not happy. You can
Okay, let's put it at
finish it all off.
KOBJ
And you
Far left agenda, you can protect
and then put that on channel
by
1.
converting your IRA or 401k
Enter.
into gold.
Save. Okay.
mind,
Look at that.
looting and burning.
Now we're talking.
And it leaves
This
his trademark and
manual.
walks away. But the fruit of the spirit is love, joy,
Awesome.
patience.
So there's something I forgot to mention. We go back to the weather band. But also the radio features the antenna. It's kind of like the Zone Guard. But it's pretty decent actually. For one small radio. Unlike the ER210. But the one thing I don't like is that it goes super quiet when I'm pressing the volume.
The Austin NOAA weather radio round at 8 p.m. at Austin.
And then to scroll between, you just do that.
Humidity was 33%.
Oh, I don't have the antenna fully extended. But so far, it's been really impressive with the reception. But then I heard there's some that it's okay. But yeah, it's alright. Let me close that door.
San Marcos clear 48. Burnett clear 48. Junction clear 51.
Alright, so the mode apparently, if I hold down,
Clear 47.
it locks it, so I can't do anything.
Once again at Austin Bergstrom, 44.
No, get out of here.
55.
Jeez, some people.
Elsewhere across the state, College Station clear.
Okay, why is this? Is it just because I'm in a different mode? Okay, that's on 12. Might be from the lighting. And of course I got the AM, but that's a whole different story. Now let's get into the menu. Oops, now I'm gonna turn that on. Menu. It's got a sleep timer. We navigate using this. The contrast. Oh my goodness, that looks very bad. Yeah, no thank you. Contrast, backlight time. Enter. We'll put it 15 seconds. We'll lower this down to avoid copyright. Menu. Back. Language. Chinese, English, and Spanish. I'll stick with English, but eventually I might change this to Spanish. I don't know what that recall does. Alright, well, I got distracted by some things I had to take care of. But, a little cautionary is that this can't be permanently charged. Alright, continuing. So, the radio says that this radio needs enough power to maintain a NOAA weather alert function. So if I hold, I think it had to go there. Then I'll be on standby. From what I'm assuming. Just hold it back down. And yeah, I don't know what those symbols mean, but that'd be good use. I don't know if I'll be able to use the recording, because like another FM AM radio would be delightful. But other than that, it doesn't really say how long till it's fully charged. It should be able to display it, but I guess the battery just can't hold it. And that's pretty much it. So once again, the the one thing I would just be super annoyed by, extend this antenna, is that there's just that static sound for the weather band. Same goes along with
707, licensed by the Texas Department of Savings and Mortgage Lending as an SML mortgage banker.
I guess never mind, but just the weather itself, it makes it really annoying. And that's also your mute, and the hold, press the mode to lock it. And I have to insert something that will go in there, but we'll see how that goes. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know it's been such a very long time since I've done a weather radio setup and unbox. But yeah, I'm very excited for this, and this also makes it look like a good travel radio. Since actually I'm curious, since I believe Louisiana's gonna test soon.
Doesn't grow bacteria.
It took a minute.
Let's go to Shreveport.
The Ohio players.
Yeah, it's getting very good. Let's try WSM 50. WSM from Nashville. What am I even saying? Sometimes the reception of this could just be off. Okay, it's not getting that. I don't know about WLAC. I'm probably gonna get the one down in Mexico. 0. Oh, I'm actually getting it. So that's good. Other than that, I'm gonna play with the weather band.
The normal low is 41. The record low is 21 degrees, which was
So yeah,
2011. No precipitation.
that's pretty much gonna do it for this.
Sunset time is at 6:14 p.m.
I don't plan on getting anything else, but
At 7:16 a.m.
this was a early birthday present.
Climate summary for this evening as of 5
So
p.m.
yeah,
February 8th, 2022.
I'll see you guys later.
Temperature of
Bye bye.